Hello, welcome back to my channel, Ask MCT Chris. In today's session, we're going to look at how to do a distinct count in Excel. Stay tuned, but before we start, let's watch my intro. So I have here an Excel spreadsheet that is open. This is just a listing of food sales coming from some cities. And the requirement is to do a distinct count on the cities so that we will know what city who bought our product. Now there are two ways of doing a distinct count in Excel. The first one is to create a pivot table. So what we can do is we can highlight the city column and go into the Insert tab and create a pivot table from Table Range. I'm just going to use this existing worksheet, and then it is important that we need to add this data to the data model because Excel per se does not have a distinct count. Once I hit OK in there, all I need to do is in the pivot table, I'm now going to move that city into the values and then change the value field settings into distinct count, and it is now counting that we've got 4 cities who bought our product. Now there is another way. There is another function that we have in Excel, and that function is the unique function. In the unique function, we need to pass on an array. So in this case, I'm going to just highlight the city column, and then once I have highlighted that city column, and I'm now going to close it in bracket and press enter. What it did was to create an array, which is the unique cities that we have. Now all we need to do is modify that function and type in there the count A and put the unique function in between the unique A. Once I press enter, that has counted the distinct number of cities that we have. And there you go. That's how you do a distinct count in Excel. Nest the unique function inside the count A function, because the unique function returns a distinct data coming from a range of data set. I hope you've learned something from this session. If you did, please hit that like button and please hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks from me. Thank you for watching.